Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do my cousin's makeup. Here we go. So before we get started on this video, isn't she pretty? Yes. Okay. But what I need you guys to do is support your girl. Like this video, share it with your friends. Leave a comment below of what you think of the video. Do you like this type of content? Do you want to see other type of content? Help a sister out. Let her know what you want to see. Thank you guys so much for your support thus far, and thank you so much for watching. We're going to go ahead and start with her eyebrows. We're going to fill those in really nicely. By the way, if you haven't saw my Wakanda Forever makeup tutorial, go do that right now. Link in the description box below. Next, we're going to go in with some concealer to clean up the eyebrows and get them shaped really nicely. And then I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend that concealer down so she has a base to start with. And as always, you know I'm using my NYX concealer palette. Freak by Juvia's Place. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know I really like this palette. And of course, because I feel like it's a great crease color, we're going to go in with Cameroon. And we're going to take that brown, that warm tone brown, and blend it in her crease color and get a nice little shape going. Then we're going to go into the Color Pop in a minute. And that one's nice.
Okay. Let me ask, I want you to answer this riddle for me, okay?
Okay.
I know you smart. I know you get it right off the bat.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Stacy's mother had 4 kids. One was named April, one was named May, and one was named June. What's the 4th one named?
Stacy.
Oh, y'all so
sure, but that Color Pop is what we're going to use, and I'm going to take that pretty maroonish pinkish color, and I'm going to go 3/4 of her lid, and then I'm going to go back into with the gold color, and I'm going to put that in her inner corners for the other third, and that's going to give a nice little ombre effect. Don't forget that blend is an important part. I know I stuttered, but that's not the point. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a winged liner. I'm still not the greatest at this with doing it on other people, so I'm not even going to zoom in. I'm not going to go into detail about that. Do a black liner of your choosing. Moving on. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and prime the face with the Ultimate Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer and get that nice and matte. Different foundation today. Today I'm going to use Born This Way. If anybody knows about Jackie Aina, she partnered with Born This Way. And she came out with some pretty shades. I bought this foundation originally for me and it didn't work out. So I was seeing if it was dark enough for my good old cousin. And unfortunately, it was just a tad bit light. So what I did was I finessed it. I went back in with some concealer, as you gonna see, and I finessed it to match her skin complexion. Because she's popping. So we gotta make sure she's popping at all times. Like what I did there? Y'all like what I did there? Y'all saw how I finessed that? Blending. That's the important part of it. You have to blend for your life. I'm going to go ahead and mix a couple of shades of concealer to do under eye concealer. We're going to blend that out. Under eye, to set that, I go ahead with my Sasha Buttercup, but I didn't want to be too yellow or too light for her skin complexion, so I also went back in with the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. That's closer to her skin complexion, but just a tad bit lighter. That's like a compliment to her skin tone, and I set that under the eye as well. So you got the Sasha Buttercup effect, but with the Black Radiance color to really give it that And you know my makeup tutorial and a makeup tutorial if we don't bronze. So we're going to go ahead and bronze, not contour, because we ain't trying to look chiseled. We're trying to look sun-kissed, you know, that natural chisel. So I went ahead with my Fenty, and that's Coco Naughty, I believe. Of course, you know I had to come in with the highlight. So you know I got my good old Revolution. It never fails me. It gives that good old glow, and against her skin tone, it looked beautiful. She looked gorgeous. Don't she look gorgeous, y'all? If you think she looks beautiful, leave that in the comments below. Okay, so she ended up providing the lip gloss as well as the mascara, so I don't have the names or the brands or the colors or the numbers of those. But if you leave a comment down below, I will reach out to her and ask her the names of those two items, and I will let you know. So let me know if you want to know below. Thank you guys for watching our video. Say bye.
Bye.